Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints tutorials. This is Kyra and today we are continuing with our January journal prompts series where I'm taking you through the first 7 days of the prompt words that were available for everyone in our Facebook group as a freebie here. And I'm using these to inspire me to make these scrap tags, which are just some fun little tag embellishments that you can use in your journal, maybe as a tuck space or as a decorative element or to tear apart and use for other projects. And today is January 6th and the prompt is flowers. So I made this tag here and this is actually a pocket tag. It's got a couple of layered pockets, so something a little bit different for today's project. And for this project, you're going to be needing this tag template, which is available for free for everyone. You can find the link to it down in the description box. And so go ahead and just get that, download it, print it on some cardstock, and I went ahead and printed some neutral paper on the back side of it. You don't have to do that, it's just what I did to keep it from being too blank. And then we're going to decorate the blank side. And for decorating, I have this summer cottage kit that was already printed out a long time ago. As always, the links to our kits will be down in the description box of the video. You can use any papers that you like. We have a lot of different floral options in our shop, but this one in particular had a lot of pretty floral elements, so I thought I'd go ahead and use it since it was already printed out. So I'm just taking one of the papers from the kit, cutting a portion of it to fit on my tag, gluing it down, and then I'm going over a couple of the edges with some of this masking tape, going over that with a little bit of distress ink just to age it up. And then I'm taking one of the pockets from the kit and I'm going to glue that down, although I'm first going to tear the top off just to make it look a little bit more, rough. I'm kind of going for sort of a patchy layered effect with this tag, but I don't want to cover up too much of my images. So I'm going to go ahead and just start by gluing this down, leaving the top open to tuck ephemera into. And then I have this little quote. If you've been watching our series, you'll know that this is from a kit of just a bunch of different quote labels. And I'm just tearing off the top and then going over it with distress ink. And then I'm going to glue it down and then add a little bit of tape over it to create kind of my second layer for my second pocket here. And then I did add some like various labels, and I had like some stickers left over from my travel tag I made a few days ago, and I'm just gonna kind of create like this little label collage sort of to go up in the corner here using the January 6th label, just like this. And then I added some ribbon in the corner, just some like woven ribbon with a couple of buttons that I liked and glued those down, added maybe a bow, and then I tucked in some flower fussy cuts into my pocket and went over the whole thing with distress ink. And these are the fussy cuts that come with this kit, so all of these pieces are from the same kit except for the quote labels. So I will have both of those linked down below. And then I just, tucked in my favorite ephemera pieces. You can use any fussy cuts you want. I just kind of liked this because it kind of looked like a girl sitting in a field of flowers. So that's going to finish up our really quick scrap tag, little pocket tag tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss tomorrow's video, our final video in this series. And I will see you then. Bye!